Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a coming soon how to make DIY project. I'm going to show y'all how to make some of these right here. For those of you who are familiar with these are called lock jewelry. This is a big thing that's going on now, and I just want to show you all how to make and create some of these for those of you who have locks. I used to have locks, y'all, a long time ago. My kids have locks. I have really been thinking about going back to it, but I have not made my mind up as of yet. So I just wanted to come to you all really quick to show you all what's going to be coming soon. I hope all is well with each and every one of you all. And if this is your very first time here on this platform, please make sure that you subscribe, go up to the top button and hit the all button so that when I do upload, you will definitely be notified. So I just wanted to come to you all to show you what is going to be next as far as videos. I'm going to show y'all how to make and create these right here. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you so very much for watching. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and a share. And until the next video, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.